Pari Art and Draw. Today we will draw Doraemon because I like Doraemon cartoon very much. First of all, we will make Doraemon nose and eyes. Look friends, Doraemon is watching you. After that, we will draw Doraemon's mouth. Friends, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and like the channel. Now it's time to make Doraemon's belt. After that, we will make Doraemon's hands and stomach. Now we are going to draw Doraemon's legs, friends. Then we will make Doraemon's round tail. Friends, now we will also draw Doraemon's other hand. Friends, now it's time to fill color in our monkey. You also fill the color and enjoy the video.
The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel.